And welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to save template a video on CapCut new update. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna see the template first, you can open your CapCut apps and then click on the template at the bottom. And after this, in here you can search the template that you wanna save, maybe on this one. So if you wanna save this template, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the love, this one, click on it, and after this, in here you can go back and click on the me at the bottom. Okay, and after this, in here you can see the template that you save at your CapCut account. So that's how to save template a video on CapCut new update. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.